Yo, yo, yo! Okay, this is our lodge. We're currently at Shuswap Lake. What, about 4 hours away from Vancouver, and this is the lodge we're actually staying at today. So, come on in. Oh yeah. As you can see, we got the entrance. We got the washroom in there. You know, washroom, first washroom in the house. And then I don't know what this is, but it's kind of locked, so I'll leave it at that. And then we got the garage in here. We got the car, right? It's pretty big. 2 cars inside. Then we got the closet here. Right, a little closet. Nice. Come on upstairs, guys. Yeah. The kitchen's a little messy right now. You all got a little rowdy last night. So we got the kitchen. And then we got a girl sleeping in here. And then, you know, the usual kitchen stuff. You know, got the microwave, we got the fridge. You know, usual. And then we got like a little small balcony. Outside. There you go, man. Then we got the grill going on here. Got some barbecue going. And then, yeah, that's a mini balcony we get. And then we got the small space living room. I guess if we all go hang out. And now we got the foodies going on. We already got lighting played in. That's for baby Tay. And then we get this one for adults, right? A nice and big one. And then this house is actually a 3-level floor. The one we just downstairs is just like a floor itself, like garage and everything. Basic washroom, and then the middle part is like where the kitchen, entertainment stuff. And then the 3rd floor is like where all the rooms are, right? Let's go. We got another washroom up top for all the people. The washroom. We got the laundry right behind it. You guys ever need to do your laundry? Oh shit. And then we got the master bedroom. Right here with the sleeper. We got baby Tay.
Morning.
Yes. And then she's sleeping. And then we got another room here. I think she's sleeping. This is pretty stuff, guys. There's a little messy, but you know, you get the point, right? And then right beside it, right across from it, there's another room, right? Right, so another room. All the magical things happen, right? Alright, come on now. Yeah, so right now we're actually outside now. We actually rented 2 lodges. The other one is right there. It's like the father-in-law. So we rented out lodge 13, and then right beside it is there's another person, I guess, renting it, right? And then so like right here. Like somebody's renting it, and then that one is ours as well, right there. And then so right now the lodge actually comes with like a swimming pool, and it's like pretty sick, and it's like right in front of like a lake. So we actually rented out the one at the back of the lake because we wanted to rented out the one in the front, but they were all like fully booked, so we only got the spot for the back one. And then yeah, so it's like almost the same looking lodge, right? Almost the same looking lodge outside. But yeah, so this is like, so yeah, this is like where you get your tanning stuff. If you want to get tan on, right? And like a little dining patio stuff, right? The usual. Get your can get your s'mores done in here if you guys want, right? And then right below it, we got like a pool right there, right? It's pretty sweet. It's for like kids, whoever, like, you know, young kids. And then right outside, we got the lake, right? It's pretty sick. Let's go. All right, so like we're actually on the dock. So like behind me is like it's like the lodges. I don't know how many lodges in here. Maybe like around 20 lodge, right? So yeah, so that's the lodge, and then right like a 1 minute walk or a 30-second walk, you'll get to the dock, and yeah, it's like the lake. You hang out, relax. You got some inflatable, right? Oh, that's pretty sweet. Oh, it's more clear here. That one is fucking trash. Remember?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's more clear. We could actually dive, you know? So yeah, this is the dock. So yeah, this is basically it. Alright, so that concludes the room tour, the house tour, the lodge tour. And now I'm gonna show you guys the aerial shot. Alright, here we go.